What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can create Instagram highlights without a name. Just like me, I just tried this and it works. As you can see, this highlight, I don't have the name in that, so I am going to try it on other highlights right now. Now let's say that, guys, you want to do the same thing. You want to create Instagram highlight without a name. Here is how you can do this, and it's very simple, and you can do this on your old highlights, on your new highlights, whatever you want. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to just open your browser. It could be any browser, Safari, Google Chrome, any browser you like to use. And after that, guys, you want to search for blank character. Okay, I am going to enter it again. I'm going to type this again, blank character. So after you search for blank character, you want to click go or search, and you want to select the second website that say U2800. Okay, this one. Make sure you click on this one. Now you click on the second website and make sure you copy this square. As you can see, this one, this square here, you want to press and hold on it. Okay, press and hold, and you will see 4 different options. You want to click on copy. If you are using Android, just press and hold on it and click copy. Okay, now after you copy this square, as you can see here, this one, after you copy it, you want to just go back to your Instagram highlights, and you want to select the highlight that you want to remove the name. For example, I'm going to use this highlight. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click 3 little lines at the very bottom right, and then you want to click edit highlight, and here where it says singing, you want to just remove the name and then paste. Click two times, and you will see the paste option. Click on it and click done in the top right. And if you see, guys, there is no name anymore. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. Leave a like if this video helped you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I reply to every single comment.